Namaskar. Haryana Real Estate Regulatory Authority Gurugram will be coming out with small videos to share information that is very much valuable for the consumer who are planning to buy a house of their own in the city or a commercial unit who have already bought these units in the city. These small videos that we're going to share with you very shortly are going to give you the information, like if there is any dispute between a buyer or between a buyer and a promoter vis-a-vis a real estate project, then in that case the agreed person has the very right to come and approach the authority, and for that he need to be informed in a correct way, so that he know what his rights are, the promoter knows what his rights and obligations are, and they know the right authority to approach and the right manner to approach. So shortly we would be sharing a numerous videos with you which would be giving an insight, if there is a legal hassle or any delay on part of the promoter to give the possession, in that case where to approach, whom to approach. If the promoter has to get his project registered, then which authority to approach. So through this video we'll be giving you how we work, how the authority function, how the disputes are being redressed, so on and so forth. So in this session primarily we would be focusing on the overview of the act, the scheme of the act, what Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016 is all about. Because as we all know, we have numerous laws, bylaws already in place, but are they really effective to address the concern of a common man? Is a common man actually aware what all rights are being given to him by the law of the land? So it is very important. See, when you talk about redressal, when we talk about grievance redressal forums, in that case it is very important, first and foremost, to make the consumer informed, make the buyer informed of what his rights are, where to approach, so that he just don't waste his energies going from one forum to another and just doing forum hopping, and the advocates suggesting them 10 different things. So this is a very noble initiative on part of the Haryana Real Estate Regulatory Authorities to disseminate the information regarding the real estate projects with the buyers. So as we all know that this act, the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act, we just call it the RERA Act 2016 in short. So that was enacted by the legislature, and it's a central piece of legislation. So there were a lot of questions, when the bill was, was in the process of being passed, that how can we have a bill under the concurrent list when we all know that land is a state subject. The state are the one who are actually making policies, the laws, the bylaws, to regulate the development and the construction on the land, and we still have all of them in place. So in that case, in Nilkamal Realtors versus Union of India, the Bombay High Court has also very clearly stated that entry 6, entry 7, red will, entry 46 clearly states that, they all actually, entry 6 is basically talks about the transfer of property, entry 7 talks about the contractual rights. So this very act deals with the contractual relationship. It's a very particular contractual relationship which is between a buyer, a promoter, vis-a-vis a real estate project. Real estate, that is a plot, an apartment, or a building for that matter. So this is a relationship which is guiding this contractual relationship, and in this transfer of property we do not include the agricultural land, that is out of the purview of the act as such. So whenever there is going to be any dispute, whenever there is going to be any dispute between the buyer, the promoter, and their contractual relationship is in question, in that case the aggrieved party very well have the right to approach the concerned authority